There was this young girl at 19 years who committed suicide.
The 14-year-old teenager committed suicide.
Depression, which has been claiming many lives, resulting into a suicide. Those who are in depression or get depressed are overwhelmed with nimbus stratus, a constant rain and hail of sadness and loneliness. Many say that no one knows exactly what causes it, but yet it can be seen that many get depressed. I am worried to see and hear about our tomorrow slowly slipping away. Hi, my name is Vish, and you're watching Vish the Weekender.
I wanted to cover an important topic today. I really wanted to talk about something, which has really, I've been seeing too many reports of it. And I believe the people who got affected or the people who have committed suicide, they really don't deserve committing suicide. Yes, I strongly believe that. I know it's really hard when someone is depressed because of a person or maybe because of a situation. It could be anything, Human can be depressed because of many things. And there's one other reason, this is one of the reasons I am making these videos, just to tell you, there is a solution. If you are really depressed, if you're feeling down, if you're feeling lonely, and you do not have anyone with whom you can share your feelings and start feeling better, I would say come out of your home. If you are depressed, just come out of your home. Go out into the nature. Yeah, just go out into the nature. It's really beautiful, it's really awesome when you go out into the nature. There's immense power in the nature that can calm your feelings, all the negative feelings I'm talking about. So there's immense power in the nature to calm down your negative feelings. The nature can definitely cure your depression. I strongly believe that, yes. Just go out, take some time. Take some time of your life. Don't be depressed. Just apply brakes and then start thinking, what am I doing? Should I continue my life in depression, or I just get over this situation? What is that you can do? I'll tell you that, God has made every one of us wonderfully. Just look at your eye. It's so precisely made. It's so complicated. The structure, the way it was designed, it's really complicated. We cannot even think of it, how beautifully, wonderfully your body has been structured by God. It's not an easy thing. It's just not an easy thing. And just because of depression, someone is going to end their life just like that? No. There's this kid who was staying in our apartment in one of the blocks. He was like 20 years old. Just 20 years old. A young kid. Huge future lying ahead of him. Entire future lying ahead of him. One fine day he decides to end his life by jumping off from this huge building. That's really sad. And he died instantly. Instantly he died. Instantly he died. Please, whoever is watching this video, if you are depressed, please don't take any decision like ending your life. It's not the end of the world. Come on, don't do that. Just imagine, just think of your parents. When you were born, they must have seen you as a baby, covered in the blood, when you came out of your mother's womb, and your mother was so happy that she gave birth to you. And as time passes, your parents, they raise you, looking at everything what you do, the cute things. When they make sounds, you smile at them, and your parents enjoyed it. They raised you so, they sacrificed many things for you. Small things, huge things, they sacrificed everything. And they gave you everything. And you decide to end your life just because of some person or some situation to which there is a solution when you share it with your parents. Please think of it. You may die just committing suicide. You may just die in a second. But think about your parents. As long as they are living on this earth, they'll die every day. They'll die every minute. They'll die every second. Come on, please don't do that. You just die and you just go. But your parents, they'll die every second just thinking of you. All the memories they have in their heart about you from the time they raised you. Come on, please don't do that. If you are depressed and listening to what I'm saying, please talk to your parents. Share everything with your parents. Please don't commit suicide. It's not worth. You are not worth of suicide. Come on. You don't deserve a suicide. Just think of the talents you have, the studies you have accomplished. Your parents need you. Your society needs you. Your country needs you. If you're really depressed, talk to your parents. Give it some break. Stop doing everything what you have been doing. Take some break. Pack your bag. Go out into the nature. Spend some time there. Take your family along with you if possible. Just forget about everything which has led you to be depressed. Please understand. I've been seeing, all these movie stars. Just think about this. The movie stars who have been committing suicide, they have earned crores and crores of money. Crores and crores of money. They have properties, but they still commit suicide. Why? That clearly shows money or status or whatever you have, the property, it's not sufficient. You need peace of mind. You need peace of mind. God has given parents to us to share our problems, to share our happiness, to share whatever we have. Everything with the parents, not with your friends. I mean, you can share with your friends, but your parents will give you a solution, and they will be sticking around you until that thing is getting fixed. It could be anything. Trust your parents. Trust God. If you're doing something which is leading you into depression, stop doing it. Quit it. Stop doing it. Don't take any decision in anger. It's not going to help you. It's going to lead you into destruction. Please. Just look at it. Whatever I have, I just take it along with me, and I go into the wilderness. I go to trek. Not that I have bad relation. I really thank God that I have a wife, a God-fearing wife, who helps me in everything, who teaches me, who advises me, and a child who loves me the most. Come on. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say. And just like this sunshine after a heavy rain, there'll also be sunshine in your life after the rain. Please keep that in mind. Don't take any drastic decisions of ending your life.
I know this was a different kind of video where there were no talks about how to camp, where there were no talks of how to trek, because I really got worried about this suicide thing. As a parent, I can feel that pain and wanted to put my request out there in hopes that someday this video will be useful to someone.